Hi everybody, I want to show you my old computer here. It is an EpsonQ801A, 1985 probably. I don't think it was on the market for very long. At the time, the industry was moving so rapidly that it was obsolete by the time it actually got manufactured. You can see we have the massive 12-inch monochrome display, two 5 1/4 floppy drives, and a keyboard. On the back of the machine we have an RS-232C interface, a Centronics printer port. Right next to it, right here, is a speaker volume control, and right here is a set of dip switches that I have absolutely no idea what they do. This is where we would plug in the monitor. If we pull off the screws on the expansion bay where the slots for these great huge cards that would go in here, usually a modem or something of that nature. As you can see, these are very large components compared to today. They are massive. So the software for this beast is Microsoft DOS version 3.2, and this is all the commands proper. These would be the floppy disks here, the original, and then we would make a copy of them to use so we could keep the original disks usable for a while, because these were constantly failing. Here's the supplement to the user's guide, full of more wrong information. So to actually use this machine, we would toss in our system disk, push the button, turn on the monitor, and would do a self-test, testing the RAM, and then the little man inside the machine would flash this on the screen up here, and we have 256K of memory, and our current date is January 1st, 1980. If we wanted to change the date, we could do it here, and the time always started at midnight, so we would have to change the time. That way our time stamp on our stuff that we work on would be correct. So we have Microsoft 3.2, 1981 to 86. And then the directory would show all the software on the 3.2 version of DOS that caused everybody a lot of pain and suffering, especially the format command. What we do is, once we get it to this point, take out this floppy, our application software floppy like WordPerfect or Lotus or something. We then put in here, we'd start that up, and then we put our data disk over here, and we could edit our data files on the B drive. Yes, indeed.